I'm here in Windsor, Canada, Ontario, with Shelley Automation, showing off the Moog Animatics Smart Motor line. Here we've got a 2-axis system, controlled by a third, where we're doing coordinated motion, generated on the fly by some mathematical patterns here, reminiscent of a spirograph. Most expensive and complex spirograph you've ever seen, but we're just demonstrating how we can do some complex mathematics and coordinated motion inside the motor. There's the connector for the motors, hooked up to nothing. So all this being generated, of course, inside the motor. Over here we've got what we call our smart box, where we've got a motor hooked up to just a few simple switches and dials, and showing how we can interpret signals directly from pieces of I/O, directly control some lights, and generate that motion. Once again, standalone, no external control whatsoever. Over here we've got a little assembly showing the NEMA standard size of a smart motor. Integrates well to just about any kind of actuator you can imagine. We make some lines, but they work well with all lines of actuators for a fully integrated solution. And on the screen here we've got a few demonstration videos in the background, as well as SMNC, our numerical control software that is running right along here into this little 2-axis setup, and a little LED diode there mimicking a cutting head that's being turned on and off as it traces a pattern in a CNC. So demonstrating some of the capabilities of the smart motors, your fully integrated drive control, electronics, I/O, communications, brushless motor, and encoder all in one from Animatics. Here being represented with Shelley Automation in Windsor, Ontario, Canada.